By the end of this video, you'll know if and how much weight loss metformin causes without any lifestyle change. We then also discuss the 4 main lifestyle factors you must control to lose weight with PCOS. So let's get started. Hi, Richard and Lucy here, nutritionists at CoachViva.com, the place for analytical thinkers to cut through the noise on where to start and when to level up so they can transform their bodies and live healthy by default. If you too refuse to settle, hide from the facts, or cave to excuses, then subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified every week of new science-backed and practical videos to help you lose fat and gain muscle on your terms. And before we begin, I want to quickly announce that a few spots have opened up for the free one-on-one consultation for our Badass Body Boss program. So make sure you stay until the end for the announcement on that. Now let's get started.
First, let's talk about if metformin will help you lose weight. Can you just take metformin and lose all of your weight? No other changes needed? Backing up, metformin is a drug that was originally created to give to diabetes type 2 patients to help their body use insulin more efficiently. So if you have PCOS but are not insulin resistant, metformin is probably not going to be of much help. If you are insulin resistant, metformin may help lower your hunger, which causes you to eat fewer calories, which finally causes weight loss. So in this case, metformin doesn't cause direct weight loss, but rather causes indirect weight loss by lowering your appetite. Other possible ways metformin may cause weight loss is burning more calories during exercise or changing your gut biome, but no one is exactly sure about its weight loss mechanics. But let's look at the big picture. How much weight can you lose on metformin without a lifestyle change? Some studies showed that the average amount of weight loss after 2 or more years was 4 to 7 pounds. Additionally, once you stop taking metformin, those 4 to 7 pounds may return. So in summary, there is no conclusive proof that you can lose a life-changing amount of weight on metformin alone without a lifestyle change.
Okay, so what are lifestyle changes you must make to lose weight with PCOS? The difference between women with PCOS versus those without PCOS is that in the calories in and calories out part of the equation, women with PCOS have a much lower calories out naturally. Check out this video we did that describes the 2 vicious cycles that women with PCOS face. Now, there are 4 factors you can control to lose weight with PCOS. In the calories inside of the equation is your calories, carbs, and protein. Start with an 11% calorie deficit. Aim for 50% of your calories to come from carbs, and 18 to 20% of your calories come from protein. The protein is there to keep you full longer despite eating fewer calories. If you're not losing fat mass, note this is different than just losing weight, then you want to first scale back your carbs by 5%, and then scale back your calories by 5%, and so on and so forth. On the calories outside of the equation, you can control 3 factors. 1. Balancing your minerals. For this, it's best to work with a PCOS specialized naturopathic doctor to get a full panel of urine and blood tests. This will reveal to you which minerals are imbalanced and which supplements to take accordingly. Second, eliminating food sensitivities. This is something you want to urgently look at only if you face digestive cramps or bloating every 1 to 2 weeks, or if you have skin conditions that you have observed changing based on what you eat. If this is you, doing an elimination diet with Whole30 to pinpoint which food groups you're sensitive to, and then working to moderate or remove them is best. Again, work with your doctor or PCOS specialized naturopathic doctor for this one. And lastly, stress. Did you know that most of the time what gets our clients to break through their plateaus is scaling back on their exercise and goals? The reason is that if you throw too much at your body, like you're exercising too much, sleeping too little, or in a constant state of dissatisfaction and worry, then your body refuses to let go of its precious stores of fat. I suggest tracking your sleep to make sure you're getting quality sleep. A free app like Sleep Cycle can do wonders for your awareness and how much rest you're getting. Making time to unwind and relax with people or activities you enjoy is crucial. This is especially important for you as a woman with PCOS because your body is already prone to inflammation through insulin resistance and hormonal imbalances. And you don't want to make it worse through not giving your body enough rest and recovery.
There are many factors at play, and identifying which one is the first one to tackle and what to change based on how your body reacts to the changes is an art and a science. Lucy and I can help you with all of this in our Badass Body Boss program. The program is built for you if you, 1, value learning in depth the science and psychology behind the entire process, 2, Believe that weight loss need not be so complicated, that each method out there works for someone at some stage, and that you just need a clear plan for finding your methods for your stage. And 3, are excited by the idea of working in a collaborative fashion with us to build your customized, sustainable roadmap to lifelong success. If that's you, good news. A few spots have opened up for a free one-to-one consultation call with us. Note, this is not a coaching call, and that booking a call does not guarantee you'll be admitted into our program. So if you're serious, click on the link in the description below to book a one-to-one consult for our Badass Body Boss program. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, be sure to subscribe or follow us on Instagram, and share this video with whoever else you feel could use this information. And be sure to check out these 2 videos to learn more about how to lose fat and gain muscle like a body boss. You can do it.